Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to contact the Google Merchant Center. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do in order for you to contact the Google Merchant Center is to log in using your credentials. Now, once you are logged into your account, this is one of the easiest way for you to contact the Google Merchant Center support. Is go to the upper right corner where you can see the question mark icon. That's beside the gear icon here that says help. And on the bottom part, you see there is an option that says contact us. Right? From here, you can browse or search for articles related to your query. If the resources don't resolve your issue, all I have to do is scroll down here and type in your concern. All right? For example, be mindful that it's only limited to 100 characters, and the next thing that I need to do is to click next. Just choose the best description of the issue. Is it going to be account suspension, misinterpretation policy, disapproval, or if that doesn't apply, just click the other. It's very important that you follow the next step. All right. Now you can request a review of your issues, contact the these update. Just click the next step. Now, you see, this is going to be the last option depending on the availability. You'll typically see options such as live chat, which gives you the instant messaging with support agents, or in our case, is an email support, which we can submit our issue and receive a response via email. Sometimes they offer a request a call when you provide your phone number and support agent will call you. So all you have to do is click the email. And here you just have to follow the required fields such as and customer name, email, and of course the Google Ads customer ID. All right. If you have that on information, especially if you have the necessary permissions or access level to the super admin. All right. You can choose any of the following options here. All right. And then the summary of issue if you want that. And click on submit. All right. So that's that. Another option is going to be contacting the Google Merchant Center via the Merchant Center here. All right. Again, as I've mentioned earlier, you can browse or search for the articles related to your query. If the resources don't solve your issue, just sign in and proceed to contact the support. It's that easy. The support option is just around the bottom part corner. All right. See this? Click on it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.